संध्या मेडिसिटी घर घर आयुर्वेदा पहुंचाने में अपना पूरा योगदान दे रही है। इसी के चलते बेंगलुरु के सवोरी बिजनेस होटल में संध्या मेडिसिटी द्वारा बेंगलुरु आयुर्वेदा महोत्सव 2023 का आयोजित किया गया। इस कार्यक्रम को डॉक्टर विकास गुप्ता, डॉक्टर रजनी गुप्ता और डॉक्टर अमूल्य द्वारा आयोजन किया गया। इस आयुर्वेदा महोत्सव में डॉक्टर रजनी गुप्ता स्पीकर रही, जिसमें उपस्थित सभी लोगों को अग्निकर्म के माध्यम से कैसे बीमारियों को दूर किया जा सकता है उसकी जानकारी दी।
Karma procedure. I think all are the practitioners, they are doing very good in their field. So clinical, जैसे as such Dr. Amulya told you, डॉक्टर्स के लिए क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस करना और अपनी नॉलेज को अपडेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी भी है, because as such we are practicing, there is a lot of new patients and new diseases we are seeing daily. So in Ayurveda, after COVID, so many people are diverting to the Ayurveda. They want a good results in Ayurveda. So since last 10 years I am practicing with Agni Karma, and since 15 years I was practicing with the Panchkarma. As such you should see. So today we are going to discuss about the Agni Karma. Why Agni Karma is required and it's need for every doctor to learn this science. Because in Ayurveda it's mentioned that very basic shlok of Ayurveda is Swasthasya Swasth Rakshanam Aturasya Vikara Prashanam. We can treat every patient with Ayurvedic treatments, and we have to give healthy life to everyone. So in Panchkarma, we are practicing both type of Panchkarma, that is a preventing Panchkarma and curative treatments. So sometimes patient comes in our Panchkarma centers, they want a quick results, because when we are treating with classicals, as mentioned in our books, and as we are practicing, first of all Deepan Pachan, then Sneha, Abhyangam, then we can come to the Virechan and Vaman. Till that patient get frustrated, they want quick result, they want their pain can be subsided. Agni Karma is a very effective treatment in the pain management, because when the patient comes to us, they are taking a lot of medicines. They are having a huge list of allopathic medicines, 10 to 15 medicines they are taking. Even being as Ayurvedic physician, we are adding some more medicines. So patient can get frustrated sometimes. How much medicines I have to take? But in the Agni Karma treatment, it is a drug-less treatment. No need to give any sort of medicines. In case of knee joint, in case of, because maximum patient, they are having a foot pain. So पाद कंडक बोलते हैं हम, plantar fascialis. Patient को uric acid वगैरह check करवा देते हैं, there is limits in that, and the patient is having a severe pain in this foot. In that cases, we are planning for the Agni Karma procedure. We give Agni Karma procedure on the upper surface of this foot and the ankle joint. Then we are planning for the lower part. First of all, we have to see the tendon points. Where will be the tendon points? You can touch and then you can mark that points. After that, the shalaka should be red detailed. When you are planning for the Agni Karma procedure, you have to see 2 to 3 things. Your shalakas should be red dotted. आपकी शलाक ऐसी नहीं होनी चाहिए. If you just heat it and touch to the patient, it will not give the relief to the patient. Because जो शलाका यूज की जाती है, that is a पंच धातु से शलाक रहती है, धातु से शलाक है. सिल्वर की शलाक को यूज कर सकते हो, स्वर्ण की शलाक को यूज कर सकते हो. बट जो बेस्ट शलाक होती है, that is a ताम्र शलाक. ताम्र शलाक के बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आते हैं. और शलाकास में ये भी मेंशन होता है, उसमें आप पिन पॉइंट शलाक लेते हो या सर्कुलर शलाक लेते हो, that I will show. First of all, we have to see the tendon points, and then you can make a swastika line, you can make a circular, you can make a line, depends upon where you get the tendon points of the patient. After doing this treatment pointed with the shalaka, you should apply the aloe vera. What we need for this therapy, we need only few things. First is the paste. You can see that the paste, this paste is of haridra, sphatic and madhu. शहद, हरिद्रा और कुरकुमीन. हरिद्रा हल्दी, ठीक है, हल्दी और शहद का मिक्स करके you can make a paste, and you have to use the aloe vera pulp, because when you are hitting something, it will give you burning sensation, and aloe vera is the one among the best drug to subside the burning sensation. Because maximum of the female complaints, they are having a ankle joint pain, and below the ankle they are having a very severe pain. In early morning pain will increase when they are going to after taking the sleep of 6 to 7 hours. they're lying down in the bed. After they can get up and when they lie attached to the floor, they will feel a severe pain. So in that cases, first of all, we have to touch and we can ask the patient and see the facial expression of the patient. When you are going to touch, if the patient is having a pain, she will create some sort of facial expression. So you can mark it as a pain scale. Pain scale को जो marking दी जाती है, that is 10 to 6, 10 to 8, depend upon the severity of the pain. Patient has 3 criteria. After that, you can touch the shalakas. It should be red hot and apply on the this particular areas.
शरीर को स्वस्थ रखने की टिप्स भी दी।